Now we are going to discuss about the next part of exercise 2a from 8. So in 8, see that use distributive law and evaluate. So the number is given 576 into 285 plus 576 into 115. So here the common number is 576. Okay. So we know that the distribution law means A into B plus C. That means A into B plus A into C. This is the distribution law of addition over multiplication. So now this form is given. This form is given. And you have to transfer this form in this and you have to find the simplest form. Now, see that if we take 576 common here, we can write 285 plus 115. That means 576 into 400. 285 plus 115, that means 400. If we multiply, we get 230400. So this is the answer of this question. Note it down a little bit. So this is subtraction given. So that means multiplication over subtraction. So we can write here. So 168 is common. Okay. So we can write 168 into 407 minus 307. That means 168 into 100. So that means 16800. So this is the answer, 16800. Note it down, all of you. Now the next one. This is very interesting part in number 9. Using the most convenient grouping, find each of the following product. So you have to find the grouping. So suppose these three numbers are given, you have to find the group first. We're multiplying this into this, or this into this, or this into this. Which one? You have to choose by your own. This is called grouping of the numbers. Now see that the smallest two number, that is 5 and 20, if we multiply, we get 100. So that means if we write 648 into 20 into 5, that means 648 into 100, that means 64800. So this is the grouping here. Okay, you have to choose the two numbers to find a group. So I am choosing here 20 into 5. Clear? Now, next one. In 983, you see that 8 into 12 into 25 into 7. The four numbers are there. In grouping, this thing you might be remind that which number you multiply, this number gives 100 or 100 of multiplication. Multiply of 100 or 100 will give after the grouping. Now we can group this into 25 or this into 25. These two number gives the 100th number. 8 into 25 gives 200 and 12 into 25 gives 300. You can choose any one from them, but you cannot choose 12 into 7 or 25 into 7 here. Okay. Now see that 8 into 25 into 12 into 7. That means 200 into 84. So 2 into 84, this is 16800. Okay. So 16800 is the answer. Note it down all of you. In number 10, see that divide and verify the answer by divisional algorithm. So divisional algorithm means we know that dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the divisional algorithm. Now we are going to express this in the divisional algorithm. Now see that in number 1 given 87 is divided by 3680. Now after division we get 42 as quotient and 26 as remainder. So we can write here 3680 equals to 42 into 87 plus 26. 26 is the remainder and 42 here the quotient. The same process for the other two also. Do it your home. Okay. Next one. Now in 11.1, see that verify each of the following. For verification, see that in number 1, if this is A and this is B, so this is B and this is A. So that means commutative property. Okay, A plus B equals to B plus A. Now if add, we get that is 3583. So 3853. Similarly, this is also 3853. That means these are equal. That means these are verified. So A plus B equals to B plus A holds here. Now in number 4, see that 86 into 55, that means 4370 into 110, that means 520300. And 86 into 55 into 110, that means 6050. So 6050 into 86, that means 52300. Okay, that means these are equal. That means if I say this is A, this is B, and this is C, and similarly this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this shows the associative property in multiplication. This shows that associative property in multiplication holds and it verifies. Okay. So properties are very, very important for higher class also. From the 6 or from 7, we have to cope up the property and the application of the property. Then very helpful for the higher class. Okay. Now we are going to the next, number 12. So now simplification. In simplification, we are using the BODMAS rule, that is DAMS rule we are saying. That means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So now first division is there. So this is 39 minus 6 plus 2 into 3. Then multiplication, that means this one, 39 minus 6 plus 6. Now addition, so two numbers are in positive, so this number and this number, that means 45 minus 6, and this last one subtraction, that means 39. Now this is the process for doing simplification, DMAS rule. Okay, follow the process properly. Next one. So now in 12.3, see that 5 into 8 minus 6 divide 2. So DMAS, this is the main rule we are following here. So first division, that means this one, 5 into 8 minus 3. Next, multiplication, that means 40 minus 3. No addition is there, so subtraction, that means 37. 37 is the answer here. Now, the next one. So in 12.5, see that you are only following the DMAS rule. So here division, so that means this one and this one. So this is 3 and this is 2. Then multiplication, so this is 6. No addition and subtraction is there, so 6 is the answer. So now we are completing the first part of exercise 2A. Now we are going to the second part. Okay. Thank you all of you. Rest of the sums are homework from 8 to 12. Thank you. Take care. Bye.